Ready to drum like a rock star without waking the neighbors? In this video, we're unveiling the finest electronic drum sets that deliver realistic feel, killer sound, and unbeatable versatility. From whisper quiet practice kits to pro-grade modules packed with thousands of samples, stay tuned to find your perfect rhythm companion. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Alesis Nitro Max, the best budget electronic drum set. If you're on a budget and want to play drums, Alesis Nitro Max is a top choice. This electronic drum set boasts 4 dual-zone mesh pads and 310 cymbals, delivering a realistic playing feel that keeps beginners motivated. Similar models often compromise on playability, but this kit excels in that area. Kick pedals can often feel flimsy, but the Nitro Max pedal does its job effectively. Many drummers soon upgrade, yet the starter pedal holds up nicely for practice sessions. You also get all essential items like drumsticks, cables, and a power supply to hit the ground running. What truly stands out is the Nitro Max module. With 440 high-quality drum sounds, whether you prefer rock or hip-hop, this kit covers all genres. Customization is at your fingertips with 32 preset kits and 16 user slots. Many competing products don't offer this level of versatility. Another perk is the built-in mixer feature. It simplifies connections to external audio sources, saving you the cost and hassle of an additional mixer. Users will appreciate this thoughtful addition, especially when setting up for practice or recording. While the basic kick pedal performs satisfactorily, it's a future upgrade waiting to happen. Up next, discover a kit that brings pro-grade sound without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have Alesis Strata Prime, the best electronic drum set for sound. Ready to elevate your drumming experience? Alesis Strata Prime is a standout in the electronic drum set market, setting a new bar for sound quality. After extensive use, I can confidently say it's the best option for serious drummers seeking realism. First off, the touchscreen module is a game changer. Equipped with BFD3 and an impressive 45 GB of sounds, accessing a vast library of multi-velocity layered samples feels effortless. This sounds incredibly realistic, surpassing many competitors. It feels like playing an acoustic kit but with added options at your fingertips. Mesh heads make up the kit, offering an authentic feel and stunning response. Sizes mirror traditional drums, providing a familiar setup. The 20 bass drum along with deep shell toms ensures a robust sound that echoes well in various settings. Alesis's triple zone arc cymbals add another layer of versatility with their 360-degree surface, enhancing your performance options. What truly impressed me was the build quality. The hi-hat and crash cymbals deliver a satisfying feel while maintaining natural recoil. Yet, setup might require some patience, especially for beginners. Still, once configured, it rewards players with a superior musical experience. After trying various competing models, the Alesis Strata Prime stands out for its rich sound palette and professional features. Stick around. Our next pick offers studio-quality tones at the touch of a screen. Still searching for the perfect electronic drum set? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Roland TD-07DMK, the best mesh pad electronic drum set. Ready to elevate your drumming? The Roland TD-07DMK offers an exceptional experience in electronic drum sets. With 25 preset drum kits and an additional 25 user slots, you'll find endless options to explore and create your sound. This kit stands out with its intuitive interface, making it simple to navigate through the numerous sounds. Customizing your drum kits becomes a breeze, ensuring you can tailor everything to your liking. Compact design is another highlight. If you have limited space, this set fits perfectly without compromising quality. Forget about bothering neighbors or housemates. The mesh heads are notably quiet, perfect for late-night practice sessions. Among its features, the diverse collection of 143 percussive sounds lets you experience everything from classic acoustic tones to vibrant electronic beats. This variety enhances creativity, setting it apart from many competing models. Build quality impresses too. Players will appreciate the robust construction, ensuring long-lasting use and reliability while performing or practicing. One minor point to consider: this kit doesn't include a kick pedal, throne, or drumsticks. This requires a small additional investment, but it allows you to choose equipment that best suits your style and comfort. What I love most about the TD-07DMK is its versatility and the expressiveness of its sounds. It outshines many rivals with exceptional features and quality. Hold tight, an ultra-responsive mesh head powerhouse is coming right up. At number 2, we have Roland VQD106, the best low-volume electronic drum set. Quiet drumming is now a reality with the Roland VQD106. If noise has prevented you from drumming as much as you'd like, this electronic drum set could change everything. One standout feature is the innovative VQD technology. You can enjoy drumming without bothering family or neighbors. It reduces noise levels by 75% compared to other models, allowing practice at any hour. Vibrational noise used to sneak through many kits, but Roland has tackled this issue effectively. They designed the pads and bass drum components to minimize vibrations. Rubber isolation feet and a flexible tennis ball beater contribute to a serene drumming experience. You'll appreciate the feel of the pads. Made with a honeycomb structure, they maintain a familiar mesh head sensation. Even after hours of play, your hands won't suffer from fatigue. Plus, the tensionable heads let you customize the playing experience. However, tom pads are single zone, which might limit versatility for advanced players. Yet, this design encourages solid practice techniques and keeps noise to a minimum. What really impresses is how this kit feels. Comparing it with standard models reveals significant benefits in comfort and noise reduction. If you struggle with sound levels from conventional drums or E-kits, consider the Roland VQD106 as your solution. Don't blink. Whisper quiet drumming with full dynamics is just ahead. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Roland TD-02KV, the best electronic drum set overall. Roland TD-02KV stands out as a top choice for electronic drums, especially for novice players. You will appreciate its blend of quality and affordability, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned drummers looking for a solid practice kit. Enjoy playing on the PDX8 dual-layered mesh snare pad. It delivers a realistic experience, allowing you to easily explore dynamic techniques like rim shots and cross-sticking. This feature expands your creative options and keeps your drumming fresh as you improve. Explore 16 preset kits that take inspiration from higher-end Roland V drums models. Sound quality shines through, offering you a wide range of musical styles. Versatility is critical for anyone looking to experiment, and this kit delivers just that. Connectivity features enhance usability too. The USB audio MIDI interface connects seamlessly with music production software. Whether recording ideas or jamming, this integration simplifies the process and increases your creative output. What I love most is the responsiveness of the mesh snare pad. It genuinely feels like traditional drumming, which is often lacking in other models. While the module is fantastic, some users might desire additional customizability for drum kits. This set gives you everything you need to grow as a drummer. If you're on the hunt for an exceptional electronic drum kit, check out what the Roland TD-02KV has to offer. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best electronic drum sets. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which electronic drum set you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.